Oh,
Going back to our last question, how do you do, do you volunteer or try to be active sa community
Right.
projects? Or,
For work, of course, because we're in the music industry, yung initial advocacy would always be against piracy. So there would be a lot of projects um, for anti-piracy, for example, going around the schools and putting up, for example, mga mini sale. Pero ang highlighting na don't buy pirated stuff, pirated music. We go around malls as well, mga ganyan. This is together with PARI, yung Philippine Association for the Recording Industry. Right, so there. And then for personal, maybe more on, like for example, if there would be projects sa church, for example, meron mga health missions, for example, or kasi my wife is actually a dentist. So, yun, she would join that parang medical mission. And then I would go with her and help and see how I can help in some ways. Assistant, dental assistant. Ganun. Tapos, basically that's it. As of now, like I can't think of anything which community service that we've already done together with my kids. Pero hopefully in the future.
So, overall, I think na-embody mo naman siguro somehow. Kasi you were saying earlier na it's not exactly trying to imbibe those values because you're a Lasallian.
Yeah.
You try,
I think I guess it's not like you don't think of it every day. I have to be like structured and be Lasallian in all my moves. Pero I guess parang unconsciously, parang because of the learnings that were taught, parang it's natural na the way you think, the way you treat other people. Basta ako, at the end of the day, what I've learned from LaSalle would be being competent, being ethical. Yung leadership will always be something that LaSalle would teach you, na you have to be a leader in the society to be able to move people and parang contribute more to the society. Yun. So that's why I think I'm a leader now. Then yung mission, sometimes you have to be you can't just sit around and wait for things to happen, and you have to think of your community as well. Yun, I think that one also is what I've learned also. Pero as a whole, parang you end up doing it because it was already taught to you and not because parang always you have to think, ito yung kailangan ko to be parang Lasallian, you have to be a leader. Hindi ganun. Hindi ka conscious. You don't have to be conscious about it. But when you go out into the real world, as they say it, parang it comes out natural na kung ano yung natutunan mo in Lasal, lumalabas na lang siya.
Yung sinabi na Lasal na real world, is it identical sa real world that you have experienced? Had experience naman?
Actually, yes. A lot of time naman, the way LaSalle teaches you is through the experiences of the professors. And aside from the normal what you find in books. But basing on like how professors teach you on their day-to-day experiences, nandoon naman. But there are really things na you learn when you're out there already. And I guess the Lasallian education helps you prepare for that. No surprises, kumbaga.
Expected na.
Expected mo na ano, kasi parang yun yung reality. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung nandun ka na. And then you think about it, oh nga, ito pala yung sabi sa akin. Then you know how to react and you know na you're prepared because of your education.
Last question, undergrad of
Right. I took up, I graduated AB Communication Arts. What year? 1991.
Okay.
Tagal na.
Did you take masters?
Yes, I took up my masters in 2004 sa Lasalte.
And then sa Commerce still?
It's MBA, Masters in Business Administration naman. Kasi yung Commerce kasi at that time wala masyadong management subjects. So I wanted to learn more. So yeah, I took up my masters in
Thank you.